Make viral videos. Creating a viral video can be a great way to increase brand awareness, build an audience, and drive traffic to your website or social media channels. However, making a video go viral is not easy, and there is no guaranteed formula for success. In this video, we will discuss some strategies for making viral videos. Create engaging content. The most important aspect of a viral video is the content. It must be engaging, entertaining, informative, or emotionally impactful in some way. You can achieve this by telling a compelling story using humor, showcasing your product or service in an interesting way, or addressing a current topic that people are passionate about. Keep it short and sweet. Attention spans are short, so it is essential to keep your video short and to the point. Most viral videos are under 2 minutes long, and some are even shorter. This means that you must grab the viewer's attention quickly and keep them engaged throughout the video. Use visual and auditory elements. The most successful viral videos are visually and audibly stimulating. Use high-quality visuals, vibrant colors, and engaging sound effects or music to grab the viewer's attention and keep them interested. The use of subtitles can also help to engage viewers who are watching the video without sound. Optimize for social media. Most viral videos are shared on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. To optimize your video for social media, ensure that it is easy to share, includes a clear call to action, and has a catchy headline or caption that will encourage people to click and watch. Leverage influencers. Collaborating with influencers who have a large following on social media can be an effective way to increase the reach of your video. Utilize paid promotion. Investing in paid promotion can help to increase the visibility of your video and reach a wider audience. Platforms like Facebook and YouTube offer advertising options that can target specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Timing is key. The timing of your video release can impact its success. Consider releasing your video during peak viewing times, such as weekends or after work hours when people are more likely to be scrolling through social media. Additionally, if your video relates to a current event or trend, releasing it while the topic is still hot can increase its chances of going viral. Encourage engagement. Encouraging engagement with your video can increase its chances of going viral. Ask viewers to like, comment, and share the video with their friends and family. Respond to comments and engage with viewers to build a sense of community around your video and brand.